Yes, ladies and gentlemen, when I get no canned pork, when I buy a piece of pork, so I don't even know what I'm going to do with it yet. If I'm going to jerk it or stew it or fry it or something. Sometimes your body feels for something. You just have to give it to it sometime, not all the time. So yeah, we are head back to Bowen, you know. And remember, you know, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, Yard and Foreign Life TV, I would recommend you do so. Please do so. Subscription is not a fee. You just hit the subscription button and that's it. You are subscribed. And by subscribing, you will get the latest videos when we put it out. And you know, see what I go on in Central Florida. So yeah man, like this video, share it, tell a friend to tell a friend, and tell them to tell a friend, and make your word spread. You understand? So yeah, we are head back to Bowen and see if we can cook some food and thing before me head back, before me touch back the road. So I don't know where else me can get the canned pork. Can get the online. Wait, them people they probably selling, you know. We'll go over there. Yeah man, global market. I'm gonna go over there, go see if they have it.
What am I sitting now? Bengal squash. Papi. Pops, you have corn pork? Corn pork. No? So they don't have it. It's a guava leaf, you know. Yo, guava leaf, $4. Yeah. Lady from somewhere. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Do you sell at the swap shop down by Fort Lauderdale? No. No? You look just like one person. I'll see if I can get you over here, so. So, you have corn pork?
Any what?
Corn pork.
Any what?
Corn
Salt.
pork.
Oh, no. Salt pork.
Salt.
Pigtail?
Huh?
Pigtail?
No, salt pork.
No, no.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Probably go after put up a Caribbean sunshine.
You know it.
Then have it.
Alright, respect. Across the road? Where?
I want to from Caribbean supermarket behind the gas station.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, respect. Next day I check that because I guess so. Too much work now if you go cross the road and thing. So next day I check that. When I go over there, I'm just have to go straight home now. Yeah man.
So here what I'm going on now. So that pork here, I think you are going to because guess what? Then get the canned pork and then sit in the front I can't start on canned pork. So I'm going to just work with this or stew some of this and thing. So here what I'm going on. I'll do that. Right now. So, remember, you know, like, subscribe, share this video, and watch what I'm going on. So here what I'm going to wash it with some vinegar. Make sure it's clean and thing. Yeah, so we are going to wash this. So yeah, we have some garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme. I'll drop them in the meat. And just watch what I've got. Remember, like, subscribe, share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend, and just stay tuned. So right now we'll drop in the powder seasoning in it, because right now if you can see it, look good. Zoom up a little bit. So that's the natural seasoning. Then we have more to put on it. You need to work with powder seasoning them right now.
You can use any powder seasoning that you like. So all we are gonna do, we are gonna just go and stir them up, mix them up, blend them in. Make it look like from about 2 Wednesdays ago. The season up. So this ready for your pot, you know. Yeah, man. So we are gonna cook this down, make it get soft and tender, and then we add in some more vegetable seasoning like scallion, onion, sweet pepper, carrots, those kind of things. Yeah, man. And then make them the cook and turn off the pot, and pork ready. So remember, you know, a stew pork we are do. So we'll add some browning to this, so that it can brown. But we'll do it in a pot. You can do it yourself. You can put the browning here so and do it. But me go do it in a pot. When we put this in a pot and it come to a certain stage, then we put the browning in there. Yeah. Make it go and cook. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Remember, subscribe to Yard and Foreign Life TV. Like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscription is free. When you are subscribed to the channel, if you see a subscribe button, just hit it, and that is it. You're subscribed. Subscribe meaning that you see every video when me do. When it come up. Whenever me do no video, you will see it. You are the first one to see it. And trust me, this Yard and Foreign Life channel have some good things going on, so you might want to subscribe to this channel. Remember to like this video, share it, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, man. And if you have tried the meat here, for all these pork lovers who like pork and try this formula, this ingredients, this recipe, just make comments, tell me how it turned out and thing, and what if it not turn out good, we can show you, we can walk you through it. Stay tuned, more to come. Okay, all right. So here we are put on a pot and make it hot. Yeah, man, the pot is hot. So we'll drop in them things in it. And we're not going to put no oil in our pot yet. We'll just make this go on. Make it own oil, make it own juice, own water. We'll turn on the stove a little bit and make it go and run. But more stir it a little. And then cover it up and make it go and produce its own juice. Cooking our own juice. So stick around, stay tuned. I'm going to go and stir up a little bit. I don't know, say, them things that have fat on them, so the fat will burn off, will melt off, and turn in oil, and that cook it down. Then later on we can add some water to it, but right now, when we add the water, we'll add some browning in our water to the pot. pot start to look greasy because it start to produce its own oil. So when we add the water to it, we add some color to the meat. We don't eat meat will look like this. We don't eat white meat. So just movements of the meat cause things will happen in our pots, cause liquid will come. If you leave it one place, it's going to burn. So keep moving it. See? See liquid? I don't know if you can see liquid. Where you see liquid? So if I cover it, it's going to produce even more liquid. So this is supposed to be good. Now cover it, give it a few minutes and then check it again. Alright, stick around, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to Yard and Foreign Life TV. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Put a thumbs up, give a thumbs up to this video. Remember, if you try this video, this recipe, if you try this recipe and it comes out however good or bad, put it in the comment. Tell me how it come out. You know hard, you know. This is not hard. See, more liquid have come. Alright, so if you go and cover it up now and still go on. So we have cut up some natural seasoning on it. I'll put them one side, and when the pot done cook, when it done simmer down and everything get tender, then we drop them in there and cook it down to a nice gravy. So in the meantime, while pork a cook, I run some food in this pot. So I run some dumpling, yam, sweet potato, Irish potato. Yeah, we'll do that. So just some water and salt. No whole heap of salt, but salt. So when the water starts boil up, then we add those food in our pots. Alright? Stick around. Remember now, you know, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, when you look on your phone, you'll see a subscribe button while you're watching this video. Hit that button. It's free of costs, free of charge. You don't need to put in a credit card number or anything. Just hit that button and voila, you subscribe. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend about this video, this channel, and you know, we'll do it. Stay tuned, watch what I'm going. Yard and Foreign Life viewers and subscribers, you saw me to show you. So the first time I open the pot since I cover it, you know, and look there, you see whole heap of water, not true. Whole heap of water. Good there. beer water. Yeah, that cook down in our own juice. You know, so I can add the brown into it, you know. Yeah, man. So I'll add the brown in now. Remember, you know, anything you use must be grease. So we go add some brown into it. So I add the brown in, make them brown up. If needs be, I can add some more to it, but just add this amount right now. Remember, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to Yard and Foreign Life TV. These are the yard style. Yeah, man, so I'll make it go and simmer down some more. Next time open it, we might add some water to it, but make it go and work in its own juice and, you know, simmer down.
A few moments later.
Alright, people, now go add some water to it now. Me use some hot water because me don't want to stop the cooking process. By see it catch a nice color and thing. Stir it up and see what I go on. You see that color look good now. So just make it go and simmer down, make it get tender. Remember, you know, not take off the meat until it's very tender. Stick around and stay tuned. Make you check out the food, the meat pot again. Good, nice color. See the color there? Or the color that you want. So remember, don't put nothing there because if you put a lot of browning in there, it can make it get bitter. You don't want that. So do it gradually until you reach the right color. Yeah, man. So this is the color I want. Make it go and cook down and thing. That is stew pork. So right now we are gonna make some flour, some dumpling. So we have some flour in this, and some cornmeal, and some salt. I'm gonna stir it up, add water to it, and make it into a dough. Then we just put them in a pot, like segment it, roll it up in a ball, and put in a pot. Watch what I go on here. So see what I look like here when we done add the water to it. And a room temperature water you add to it. You know, if you add hot water to it, so you just add some room temperature water, make it into a dough looking like this. And you section it and roll it into a ball and put in a pot. Alright, when you cook, that name dumpling. Alright, making dumpling. dumpling. Put that in my pot. So I'm going to add them food to the pot. So I'm going to add them things up to the pot. So you see water they dry down. I'll add some more hot water to it. And give it a 1 stir. Not tender yet, but it's getting there. Meat start to feel spongy and now it's getting there. So ladies and gentlemen, now say the food part done. Yeah man. Everything done cook right here, so drop this a skillet night. Oh, checking out the meats. See that? Look nice and it smell good too. So see what I go on with the meat. See, rolling piece look tender. See this? Very spongy. Everything spongy. Look there, you see? Cut off, you know? Cut off. See, cut off. Which means I cook. So here what? Everything spongy, very spongy. Very tender. Tender. Everything tender. So it means you don't cook. So here what I go do. I go throw the seasoning them. I'm cut up earlier. I'm seasoning here. We'll drop them in there. And get some body. So I'm gonna make them go and cook tender too. And after they done cook tender, you can turn off the stove. Now I'm gonna make some rich gravy. So I'm gonna put one Irish potato in it. Cut up some Irish potato, cut up one part of one Irish potato or one and put in there for it to get some body, because you know they look runny. So I don't need that kind of gravy there. I need body gravy. So let's do that part. Stick around, stay tuned. So I cut up the sweet potato them, cut them up like fries. I'm gonna put them in iPots and then go and give it some richness, make the gravy thicker. So when the water dry down a little, it should be good to turn off. Yeah man, see all the piece of nice, you know, tender. But yeah, make it go and simmer down some more, and we have a meal. So make you look back in the meat pot and see what go on. Good there. You see, look, gravy look rich already. I'll make you test out some things and see. Yeah man, very rich. See it? You know, runny like how it was. Thicker. This no cook yet, you know. So we are wait for if you cook some more. So the more thing dry down, the better the gravy is. But yes, this is what we want. So you look like very thin, very tender. The meats. So this is how we do brown stew pork, or they call it stew pork. This is how we do it. Next time if me get no canned pork, me cook it with some ackee and show no. But right now we can't get none, so we could just work with what we have. So yeah, you see it bubble, it a look. You see how the bubble them look? This is what we want. Yeah. Nice stew pork. So make it stay there and simmer down some more and see what happens. Remember to subscribe to this channel, Yard and Foreign Life TV. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you try this recipe, put in the comments how it came out, okay? So yes, check out this again. Everything look good now. Gravy look good, look rich and nice, look thick, rich and nice. And potato, them a break up, so you know so then cook. And yeah, we have a lot of gravy right here. So you look saggy, shaky. Yeah man, shaky. No stiff. So you know say cook. And it's very tender, coming like a sponge. Yeah, so yeah, time to turn off. And this is how we cook pork, stew pork. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Alright, so I'll share it a plate and show you, okay? Turn off the stove. Our food ready. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, see the finished product here. Stew pork. You have some yam, dumpling, Irish, and sweet potato. You have some vegetable right here as well. And may I drink it with some homemade fruit punch. So yeah, let's dive in. Sauce tastes good. Okay, fall off, tender. Okay, seasoning in it. Tastes really good. Do that with some sweet potato. Take up one little piece of meat. Yeah, man. Tender. So, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Like and share this video. And give a thumbs up. It's really good. So, thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.